This Friday is Good Friday, and so we're going to come together for a short service at 10 a.m. So this Friday at 10 a.m. you can join us for a service no more than 30 minutes where we can just focus on Jesus and the cross and what he did for us during this time. So you can access this at xlchurch.online.church.
In your grace is where I'm living. I am found in a brand new...
Unfortunately, we can't meet at our church building, but you can join us online at 11 a.m. every Sunday for our stream service. You can catch us on YouTube or head to xlchurch.online.church.
Commit my life into your plans. I'm gonna celebrate.
So while lockdown continues, you can still join with us every Sunday at 6 p.m. to join us for an hour of prayer. We need to be praying for our nation at this time. So if you'd like to join in, drop us a message and we'll send you the link.
I'm in love with Jesus. I'm in love with Jesus.
So you can now join us online for Kids Stream. This is our online ministry for children. So you can catch us Fridays at 6:30 or Sundays at 10 a.m. live for some fun, some games, some custard pies and lots of competitions.
It's gone. I live in freedom. All the old has passed away in your...
So we've now put our plans in place to continue our next level studies on a Saturday via Zoom. So the first one's going to be happening this Saturday, the 11th of April. And if you'd like to join for this, then just drop us a message and we'll give you the link. This is for our Saturday morning Bible studies, so do join in if you'd like to.
Commit my life into your plans. I'm in love with Jesus.
If you are part of 180 Youth, then be sure to connect with our leaders and stay in touch with us online. We've got some cool content going out over the next few weeks, so be sure to stay in touch with us. We are all in for a treat this bank holiday Monday. At 8 p.m, you can join us for an online quiz. So you can sign up on our website or via Church Suite, and we'll send you the link to the quiz and you'll get a link to the Zoom call where you can join with other players. So there might even be a prize for the winner, but no cheating. Jesus is watching.
My soul is renewed. Now I have found you. I'll never let you go. My heart is brand new.
So our Connect groups are still meeting via Zoom. So if you'd like to be a part of one of these groups, then just drop us a message, let us know, and we'll get you connected online. And if you need some technical support and you're not so tech savvy, we've got it covered. So all you'll need is a mobile, a laptop, or an iPad, and we'll get you set up on there.
Found you. I'll never let you go. I'm gonna celebrate.
So that's all for XL News. Remember, now more than ever is important to stay connected, and we've got the whole online world to do that. But pick up a phone, call someone if you know someone's isolating, and let's stay connected to the church. You can keep up to date with everything we're doing on our social media and on our website. So hit us up and stay connected.